Good morning, guys. Today's our third day here in Baguio and samahan niyo akong gawin yung makeup ko para sa lakad namin ngayon. So as usual, I'm just putting a moisturizer on my face and I am using the Origin Brightening Moisturizer. I also used their sunscreen and I have been using this sunscreen for a few months now. Gustong gusto ko talaga na hindi siya nagiiwan ng white cast sa mukha ko. So, I'm just blending the product here hanggang sa maging invisible siya sa mukha ko. And now, our face is sun protected para sa mga activities natin today. I also put a tiny amount of Lucas Papaw here to moisturize my lips kasi grabe mag-chop yung lips ko sa mga malalamig na lugar. So next is this liquid illuminator from Vice Cosmetics. And I will just apply it on the areas na gusto kong ma-brighten up. Yeah. It's perfect if you want to have that subtle glow on your face. Just like that. Can you see the difference? Ang ganda, 'di ba? Now I'm just blending using my fingers and as you can see, it gave my face that glowy effect. Next is the True Wear Foundation from Rise Cosmetics. Naglagay lang ako ng 3 pumps sa likod ng kamay ko. As you can see, runny yung consistency niya, which means it doesn't have that much coverage. And then, I use my sculpting brush from Angie to spread and blend it on my face. Then, kukuha ko ng mga natirang product para ilagay sa mga areas na gusto kong madagdagan ng coverage. I also put some on my neck para walang masayang na product. Medyo marami kasi akong nalagay. Then, for the blush, I used the Maanji Liquid Blush in the shade C202. As you can see, very pigmented siya kaya tig-isang dot lang yung nilagay ko. I really love this shade because it gives that natural flush on my face. Very dalagang Pilipina lang ang peg. Kinakalat ko lang siya paangat to give that lifted look and also near the eyes. And of course, I put whatever's left on my eyelids para hindi halatang pagod at puyat yung mga mata ko. For the bronzer, I'm using the Manji brush and I will use this powder bronzer shade from the palette that I bought from the Detail Cosmetics warehouse sale. Nilagay ko siya sa taas ng noo, gilid ng mata, at sa pisngi para hindi mukhang flat yung mukha natin from putting the foundation earlier. Then, uulitin ko lang din siya sa kabilang parte ng mukha ko. For concealer, I am using Maanji Longwear Concealer in the shade N3Y. Medyo maputi ito sa akin pero ito lang yung meron ako kaya laban na yan. Then, I'm using my very used and abused Blendy sponge to blend sideways and then upward. Para yung natitirang product na lang yung mapupunta sa part na prone yung creasing. And as you can see, medyo nawala yung blush nung naglagay ako ng concealer. So, magre-reapply lang ako ulit para rin matakpan yung harsh line na nagmula dun sa concealer na nilagay ko. Next, isa-set natin siya using JMCY setting spray na isa sa mga trending na setting spray ngayon and I can see why. It really makes my makeup last more than I expected. For the brows, nilinis ko lang siya with the wet wipes kasi maglalaminate ako ng konti. And I will use my Angie gel and brush. So, kumuha lang ako ng konting gel to arrange the direction of my eyebrows according to my liking. And once I'm satisfied, I will fill my eyebrow using the eyebrow pencil from Angie. Yes, hindi naman halata na fan ako ng product nila, no? Very affordable kasi siya and so far, okay naman yung performance nila sa mukha ko. Then, I use a spoolie to polish it. To set my face, I will use the Vice Cosmetics Universal Fix. Gumagamit lang ako ng small puff, then tinatap ko yung excess sa kamay ko before ko siya i-apply sa areas na gusto kong iset like my under eyes and T-zone. Since wala akong ka-shade ng liquid blush ko, I will use this powder from the highlighter and contour palette kanina to set my blush. Pero napansin ko na parang na-mute yung blush ko. So, naglagay ako ulit ng liquid blush para ibalik yung dalagang Pilipina blush ko. Then, I set it with powder. Then, setting spray ulit para ilock na yung mga products na nilagay ko sa mukha ko. For my lips, I use the Squad Cosmetics Cheek and Lip Tint. Then, eyelash curler for the lashes. Plus this Maanje waterproof mascara na inaayawan ko na sa sobrang waterproof kasi natatanggal yung mga pilik mata ko. But hats off to this product, navo-volumize niya yung lashes ko. Then I use this clay pen from Detail Cosmetics to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And then I borrow my sister's gel eyeliner and her very tiny brush to do my baby wing liner. Gusto ko kasi yung saktong tungkil lang. Then, ulitin ko lang siya sa kabila. Then, I put some highlighters on the high points of my cheeks, eyes, and nose. And here's the final look. I just did my hair off cam and yeah, love how it turns out. Hashtag Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. And here's my OOTD for today. Please check out my latest vlog in Baguio to know what activities we did for our last days. See you on the next!